Are you a service provider looking to boost your online presence and attract more clients? Pinterest has got your back. Welcome back. And for those who are just finding my channel, hi, my name is Jen Vasquez. Using my proven Pinterest marketing method, I help hyper busy female service providers create one marketing workflow to book more clients, increase their income and impact in about an hour a week. If that's something interesting, I would love for you to subscribe. I know it could feel a bit overwhelming at first, but fear not, my friend, because I am here to help you navigate the exciting world of Pinterest boards today. The burning question on your mind might be, what Pinterest board should I have? I get that question a lot. Well, today we're going to dive into all of that and find out together. Understanding Pinterest boards. Picture this. Pinterest boards are like a virtual treasure chest filled with ideas from all over the internet. You can save images and blogs or articles and more from any website out there, unless the website owner puts up a no pinning sign like a digital bouncer. There are three main types of Pinterest boards. There's public boards. These boards are open for everyone to see. Show off your expertise and let your content shine. There's secret boards. Need to keep things hush hush? Secret boards are your go to because you can still pin to secret boards. Only you and your trusted contributors can access them. And then there's archive boards. For your eyes only, these boards are purely personal, perfect for gathering inspiration or saving private gems, but you can't pin to them anymore. Why Pinterest boards matter for service providers. Now, here's where the magic happens. Each time you add a pin to a board, it gets exposed to your followers and the followers of that specific board. And anytime someone pins to that board, those followers, targeted exposure without spending a dime. But hold your horses because we need to set up strong and relevant boards right from the start to make the most of this golden opportunity. Before we dive into everything, I wanted to make sure you know that I have a free Pinterest challenge, and it's going to help you to not only optimize your Pinterest, but know what content works best. Talk about repurposing content as well as analytics, everything from soup to nuts over a 6-week period, and it's free. I hope you'll join me at thepinterestqueen.com/challenge. So step one, evaluate your service categories. Let's start by identifying the core categories of your service business. Think about the services that you offer and the expertise you bring to the table, or maybe even your blog categories. We're talking broad categories here, so you can cast a very wide net. For example, if you're a social media consultant, your categories might be social media marketing or content strategy or branding or digital advertising analytics. Feel free to jot down your categories on a digital spreadsheet or a good old-fashioned piece of paper, however you want to go about doing it. Step two, crafting the perfect Pinterest boards. Now let's get creative and strategize on board setup. The key here is to maximize visibility and your reach, those outbound clicks, which are money clicks. Aim to save each pin to at least 3 different relevant boards. More boards mean more content to go viral, but you don't want that same pin going to multiple boards. For each category, you'll want a minimum of 5 boards. Remember, you can have up to 500 boards on your Pinterest account, but we'll start with the essentials. Don't go overboard all at once. Pace yourself like a Pinterest pro so your account doesn't look spammy. Step number 3, board naming with a dash of keywords. Here's where we sprinkle some Pinterest magic dust on our boards. We want them to be relevant and search engine friendly. To choose the perfect board titles, let's tap into what Pinterest users are searching for. Start by typing your first category into the search bar on Pinterest, and you'll see a drop-down menu list of popular keywords related to that category. These suggestions are pure gold because they're telling you what people are searching for. Select the ones that best align with your content. For example, if you offer social media marketing services, your board titles could be social media tips and tricks, Instagram growth strategies, Facebook advertising secrets, Twitter engagement or X engagement hack, or Pinterest marketing tips would probably be better. Remember, you can rearrange the keywords to make them sound natural while still being search friendly, but use the words that Pinterest is giving you and let your creative run wild. Step number 4, optimize your boards with Pinterest SEO. Time to give your board some SEO love. Add a board description using relevant keywords to boost everything. So, in conclusion, Pinterest is a powerful tool that can supercharge your service business and help you attract more clients. By strategically creating and organizing your Pinterest board, you can showcase your expertise, increase your online visibility, and reach a wider audience. Remember to evaluate your service categories, craft relevant boards, and optimize them with keywords to enhance their searchability and their reach on Pinterest. With a little creativity and consistent effort, you can harness the potential of Pinterest to grow your service business and stand out in a competitive market.